Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most useful new features added to the X app, formerly known as Twitter. The ability to snooze a group chat right from your PC. Whether your group chat is blowing up with endless notifications or you just want some peace and quiet for a while, this quick update makes it easier than ever to take control of your messages without leaving the app. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're in, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options, including Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. Click on Messages. This is where all your private conversations and group chats are stored. When the Messages page opens, you'll see a list of all your chats on the left. Find the group you want to snooze. Don't click to open it, just hover your mouse over that group name. As you hover, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appear on the right side of the group's name. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with a few different options. Among them, you'll now see Snooze Conversation. Click on that, and the group will instantly be snoozed. That means you won't receive any notifications from that chat until you decide to turn them back on. It's really that simple. No more distractions, no more interruptions, just a quick way to mute group noise whenever you need a break. And the best part? Snoozing doesn't remove or leave the group. You'll still have full access to the chat and can catch up on messages whenever you're ready. It's the perfect way to stay organized and focused without missing anything important. So next time your group chat starts buzzing non-stop, try this quick method to keep things under control. Thanks for watching.